How well do you know the history of the Champions Trophy? From record-breaking moments to surprising facts, let's see if you're a true cricket expert.
Before we start, subscribe to the SM Quiz channel for more exciting quizzes.
In which year did the first edition of the Champions Trophy occur? Yes, 1998. Which team has won the first edition of the ICC Champions Trophy? Correct, it's South Africa. Which team has the highest team total in Champions Trophy history? Right, Australia. Who has the most runs in Champions Trophy history? Yes, Chris Gayle. Who has the most wickets in Champions Trophy history? Spot on, Kyle Mills. Which player has scored 3 centuries in the ICC Champions Trophy? Correct, Shikhar Dhawan. After how many years Champions Trophy is being scheduled in 2025? Yes, after 8 years. Who is hosting the Champions Trophy 2025? Yes, Pakistan. Which team is playing the Champions Trophy for the first time? Right, Afghanistan. How many teams are playing in CT 2025? Correct, 8 teams are playing. Who is leading the debutante team Afghanistan in the Champions Trophy 2025? Yes, Hashmatullah Shahidi. Winning prize of Champions Trophy 2025? Yes, it's $6.9 million. Who has scored the highest individual runs in Champions Trophy history? Yes, Ibrahim Zadran. Who is Australia's captain for CT 2025? Right, Steve Smith. How many Champions Trophy titles does Australia have? Right, Australia has 2 titles. Winner of the last Champions Trophy in 2017. Yes, Pakistan. Player of the match in Champions Trophy 2017 final. Right, Fakhar Zaman. Who won the Golden Ball Award in the Champions Trophy 2017? Yes, Hassan Ali. Who was the captain of the ICC Champions Trophy winning team in 2017? Correct, Sarfaraz Ahmed. Which team won the Champions Trophy in 2013? Right, India. Who was the Golden Bat winner in the Champions Trophy 2013? Correct, Shikhar Dhawan. Which nation hosted the Champions Trophy in 2013? Correct, England. Which country was the host of the Champions Trophy 2009? Correct, it's South Africa. Which team has won the 2009 Champions Trophy title? Right, Australia. Which one is the official team kit for Pakistan in the Champions Trophy 2025? Option A is correct. Can you guess India's official match kit for CT 2025? Option B is correct. Only true fans will recognize New Zealand's official attire for the Champions Trophy. Option A is correct. Which of these is the actual match uniform for South Africa in CT 2025? Option B is correct. A or B, one of these is the official playing kit for England in the CT 2025. Option A is correct. Only a real cricket fan can tell. Which one is Australia's true kit in CT 2025? Option B is correct. Can you identify the real game day kit for Afghanistan in the CT 2025? Option B is correct. True supporters know this. Pick the correct official cricket wear for Bangladesh. Option A is correct. Which team are you supporting this time, and which two teams do you want to see in the final? Let me know in the comments.